The demand curve. We've seen that the law of demand states that the higher the price of a good, the smaller the quantity demanded, or the lower the price of a good, the larger the quantity demanded. This is represented in the demand curve, which is a connection of all the points of quantity demanded at varying prices. Consequently, the demand curve is sloping downwards for most products. Please have a look at the table. As you can see, at a price of $5, quantity demanded is 250 units. As prices increase to, for example, $9, quantity demanded falls to 50 units. How do we represent this in a demand curve? First, we draw a diagram with the vertical axis, the price here in US dollars. The horizontal axis represents quantity, which in this case is in units. All demand curves are represented with price, vertically, quantity, horizontally. We then use the table to fill in some points. At $5, the quantity is 250. At $9, the quantity demanded is 50. We can put in all the individual dots. For example, at a price of 7, it's 150. To conclude the demand curve, we draw a line through all the dots that we found. We have now constructed the demand curve. More generally stated, as you can see, vertically we've listed price, horizontally quantity, and the line that represents the demand curve for a good or a service. As you can see, as price increases, quantity falls, which is represented by a shift along the curve, which is the law of demand.